Decoding the phrase shush. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly heard phrase in the English language, shush. If you've been curious about its meaning, usage, and origin, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Shush is an interjection used in the English language. It's a way for someone to request silence or quietness from another person or group of people. When someone says, shush, they are typically asking for noise or talking to stop. It can be used in a variety of situations, from a parent gently telling their child to be quiet, to someone asking for silence in a library or cinema. The term shush likely originates from the sound itself. It's an onomatopoeic word, which means it imitates the natural sound associated with the object or action it refers to. In this case, shush imitates the sound of someone hushing or silencing others. While we're not using phonetic transcriptions here, it's worth noting that shush has a soft shush sound at both its beginning and end. Here are a few examples to demonstrate how shush can be used in sentences. 1. Can you please shush? I'm trying to concentrate. 2. She gave me a stern look and whispered, shush. 3. During the movie, someone behind us kept talking, so I turned around and sighed, shush. It's worth noting that while shush can be an effective way to request silence, it's important to use it politely. In some contexts, it can come off as rude if not used with care. There you have it. The next time you hear someone say, shush, you'll know exactly what they mean and the context behind it. English is full of interesting and unique phrases, and understanding them can help you communicate more effectively. We hope you found this video insightful. Stay curious, and happy learning!